मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात जी रियासत दुबई में बिंग शिंग यूनिवर्स 22 ग्रांड फिनाले जे नाले सां फैशन शो मुनक़िद कयो वियो। हिन फैशन शो में अलॻि अलॻि मुल्कनि जूं 14 मॉडल्स हिसो वरितो। हिन फैशन शो जो डिज़ाइनर मिस्टर वालिद हो, जंहिं पंहिंजी ख़ूबसूरत डिज़ाइन के माण्हुनि जे लाइ डिस्प्ले कयो। हिन फैशन शो में विनर्स शानिया रसेलियो फ्रॉम पुर्तगाल, मा शाबान फ्रॉम लेबनान, टीना शाबाम फ्रॉम लबनान, पूजा कथोड़िया, हबीबा अब्दुल रहमान फ्रॉम कीनिया, नुतेला फ्रॉम तुनीसिया, प्लेनेट फ्रॉम नाइजीरिया। हिननि ख़ूबसूरत मॉडल्स के इनाम जे तौर ते ताज पाराया विया।
Honestly, the entire experience of 5 days has been amazing. I got to meet such amazing mentors. They taught us everything: how to walk, how to posture, how to speak, how to communicate with one another. And I just believe that the whole journey has been really, really good. And I would encourage everyone to apply for the next pageant they host.
So, my name is Planet. I am from Nigeria. I'm a model. I am very happy to be part of Binshi Universe 2022 because it's all about empowerment. I feel empowered by being here and I also want to use this opportunity to tell every woman out there that you can be whoever you want to be. You can achieve whatever dream you want to achieve. Age does not matter, your body size doesn't matter, where you come from doesn't matter. All you need is just yourself and everything will be done.
And I am so proud and honored to be part of Binshi Universe Finalist 2022. It's been such an empowering experience. We've been trained through the whole process and now I feel more confident, more empowered. And I also thank Binshi Universe for giving me this platform, especially from Kenya, to express my talents, my skills, and to give me this platform to talk about the most important topic, sustainable fashion.
तो आज आपने देखा कि बिंशी यूनिवर्स का ये 4th सीज़न था। हम लोग 2019 से करते आ रहे हैं और इसका मेन पर्पज़ ये है कि हम ब्यूटी विद पर्पज़ ढूंढ रहे हैं। हम वो वुमेन ऑफ सब्सटेंस ढूंढ रहे हैं जो एक डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर सके कम्युनिटी में। मिस रवान है हमारे साथ। इनका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है एज अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, सारी लड़कियों को ट्रेन करने का, सारी लड़कियों को एक सही राह दिखाने का, उनका पैशन जगाने का और उनको एक सही दिशा दिखाने का। तो मुझे बहुत प्राउड है कि women like Miss Rawan are there to support us as being she, because alone we cannot achieve everything. We need the right partners, we need the right support.
Thank you so much for this opportunity and for reaching my voice for all the ladies. I want them to know that they have a meaning and they have the energy to reach their goal, and with the being she, they really can achieve this easily with all the support and all the easy techniques which was prepared for them, a strategy which make them reaching their achievement easily. So thank you and really congrats for the winner. She deserved it, and with this intensive training she became the best version of herself.
फहद शेख, KTN न्यूज़, दुबई।